we're gonna see the process of concrete pouring. This is a pump, just came, and we are waiting for the concrete mixer. So we're gonna see today the concrete pouring for the PCC, this one behind me, and we're waiting, as I told you, for the concrete mixer. This is Engineer Omar Ali from Project Management Simplified. Hi, today we're gonna see concrete pouring for the PCC behind me, and this is the pump has just came and it's working now. We're just waiting for the concrete mixer to come here to the site. This is Engineer Omar Ali with you from Project Management Simplified. So let's stay tuned on and let's wait for the concrete mixer and see the process. So now we can see the laborers are working on the polythene sheet. They are spreading the polythene sheet before pouring the concrete. As we said, the concrete has to be poured over the polythene sheet according to the specifications. And that guy, as we can see there, he's a pump operator. He's starting the work process for concreting, and you can see that there is 4 booms, jacks to stabilize the vehicle, and they have to put, let's see here, let's come close to this one. They have to put these pieces of wood or something like that, or rubber, to stabilize or find a stiff place, stiff ground for the vehicle to be supported on, because it can't be supported by the tires itself, because there is so much load will come afterwards. The concrete will be poured here and it will be pumped through this boom